In this episode of Field Guide to DIY, I'm going to show you step by step how I assembled this beautiful Storkcraft crib from my grandson on the way. Let's dive in. Step 1 is assemble your pieces parts, make sure they're all there. And this set comes with the hardware all prepackaged. Step 1 is attach the drawer sides and drawer middle to the drawer face. Insert the 2 drawer bottoms. Then using the 6 plastic collars, attach the drawer sides to the drawer back. They say use a hand screwdriver so you don't over tighten. Then join the 2 end pieces to the 2 bottom pieces. Then feed the bolt through the barrel nut. Make sure you put dowels in the ends before you attach them. And tighten them down. Do the same for the other end. Next, attach the drawer slides to the bottom. Next, attach the sides to the lower rails, front and back. And do the same with this end. Next, slide in the crib back panel. Then attach the top rail in the back. Slide in the decorative top panel. Attach the frame trim to the top rail. Then mount the top rail. Then insert all the bolts except for the one that you want to set the mattress height at. This is for a newborn, so we're going to have the mattress set at the highest setting. Then use something to support the box spring as you attach the hardware. Next, attach a decorative rail to the crib front. Then attach the front. There, like so. Finally, insert the drawers. Add the mattress. There we go. For more helpful instructions on furniture assembly, click the image on your screen now.